So I've made myself a new database here, and when I created it I made sure I had individual user accounts, which gives you that window where you can register and log in and so on. What it doesn't do is give you kind of admin roles and so on. So that's about seeding some admin roles and users, is what we're going to do right now. So I set it up, I've done my migration, and I'm in this configuration.cs in my migrations folder, where we could see where I would normally do the other seeding of other things. And I'm just going to do a quick and dirty thing, so I'm just going to grab some code that I happen to have over here, and I'm going to paste it right here. And let's just quickly talk through it. What this does, this makes some new roles and new user manager stuff. So it creates a role manager role called admin, and it makes that role one of the things that is in the application manager, the authorization aspect of it. And I've also made it create a new user with this great email address, c@d.com, and it makes that user and also makes them an admin. It's pretty easy to work through this and see what's what. You see there's a lot of stuff underlined in red. It's just missing a whole bunch of using. I think there's like 3 different using things that it should be doing. All the red is gone. So now if I run update database here, which will do that configuration for me, run that configuration file and wait patiently. Hopefully it will seed that person. Oh yeah, I forgot to do this, didn't I? So up here that should be true. Save that. Try again. Sure it's doing it. Run my seed method. So just to check, let's see if c@d.com can log in and has the admin role. Now that admin role of course is meaningless at this stage. It has no special magical admin powers. It's just a role that exists. So c@d.com, password at 123 I seem to remember, and I have created that person. Hello, c@d.com. Just stop that session. And now let's just give that person a little bit of a role. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go into the controllers. I can do it for whichever controller. I haven't done a student control yet. But if I go into my home controller, luckily I have a tab open of a handy bit of code here. Authorize, blah blah blah, some Stack Exchange answer, Control C, Alt Tab, back to where I was, and I'm going to make my contact page only visible if you have admin role. Roles equals admin, and I seem to have typoed it there. Wouldn't be shocked if that worked. Let's just try it. Save that, run this. So what was it in the contact page? Is it doing it? What's going on? Why is it not happening? It is happening. Just very slowly. Waiting, waiting. Waiting, waiting. And oh, I don't want to log in yet. Let's go to this. What page was it I said? The contact page should be non-accessible. Yeah, I can go to my home page, I can go to my about page, I can't go to my contact page unless I log in as c@d.com, password at 123, login, and now I can go to the contact page. So that's basically role-based authentication.